Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 3008 Allure. This car comes with some lovely features, including front and rear parking aids with a rear colour camera, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone. Let's take a very quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. Howard's are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that's with a virtual appointment, using our Howard's Click and Collect service or Howard's Home Delivery, along with the traditional booking an appointment to come in and view a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you and have a good day.